ka NSS unit Jangari Boy College nongpo kalapulong yaga Kilo India Dialogue ka program ka baai lad ikikon samla puli panishimata agajing kren bat menteri ramba do kari Narendra Modi halor ki lad kilinti ban kintiu yaga kam jinglehkai hakari Hakini ke program lawan bayan dalang duba Matthew Kenneth Makdo badai nominated MDC ke KHDC ringkat ke kong Mercia Doling boxing coach Jangari Boy district samla Johnny Nongrum uwain na kirang yakura bala pau nam na gejala ke kong E Kharkangor principal Jangari Boy College ke kong YV Simli program officer NSS Riboy College lembat kiwe de bad ki samla puli Jangko College ki samla glayo ekalat ban sengap ikajingkren Jong Menteri Rangba Dukari Narendra Modi halor kimat kibai day berkekam jinglehkai. Kumjuru banyasam ya kijingmut bekijing perkat halor kilat ban kentiu shushu ya ka sports hakari. Hadien kijing kren kisamla puli Jangari Boy College kila yo ru ya kalat banya puli jingmut pat kinong jinglehkai sports na gejla. Kibakentop yu Johnny Nongrum berkekong Mercia Doling. Kibla airu ya kijingmut bekijing prislur ya kisamla puli beken shim ya ka kam jinglehkai kum kawai na kilat bante ya kelawai ban penpau ya kisap kipong juki.
नमस्कार आप सभी ने इतने शानदार तरीके से खेलो इंडिया युवा का एक कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं मैं टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से इस कार्यक्रम से जुड़े केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल के मेरे साथी सभी मुख्यमंत्री राज्य सरकार के अनेक मंत्री संसद में मेरे सहयोगी माय भारत के लाखों लाख वॉलेंटियर्स का भी बहुत हृदय से अभिनंदन करता हूं आज इस कार्यक्रम में देश भर के एथलीट्स और स्पोर्ट्स जगत के महानुभाव भी हम सबके साथ शामिल आप सबको पता है साथियों 2 दिन बाद 29 अगस्त को नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे भी मैं आप सभी को देश भर के युवाओं को और खेल जगत से जुड़े सभी छात्रों खेल दिवस की अग्रिम शुभकामनाएं दी
Who is called the Wizard of Hockey. The name Dhyanchan, that Chan means moon. He got the name because he was in the army and during the daytime he had to finish his duties. So he trained in the night under the moonlight. So his colleagues gave him the name Chan. Then he became Major Dhyanchan. And luckily, I am in this generation like who has a chance to celebrate this sports day, who is named after him. And I'd like to tell something, a little bit of my journey. I started my journey as a boxer in 2005, and then till last year I have competed in 100 matches, which includes MMA, kickboxing, and Muay Thai. And I lost 12 matches and won 88 matches. Plus, across the country and some outside the country, like in Nepal and Indonesia. Going to sports doesn't mean you will forget your studies. Because in sports I was taught, I was taught by the coaches across the country to follow the 3 Ds of the sports. 3 Ds means determination, dedication, and discipline. Without these, you won't be able to perform. And I think it relates to the studies also. Because in sports, it doesn't mean like after a long boxing, it doesn't mean like just to punch. It means how to train, how to miss a punch, how to block the punch, and how to train, how to eat, how to sleep. That is why the 3Ds is very important for the sports person. And it's not hard to follow it. And in our time, we saw mobile phones like after we cross 20 years of age. But these days, everyone are seeing a phone, a mobile phone in their hands as soon as they are being born.
It is an honor and privilege that I'm being invited to be the chief guest of this program today to mark the National Sports Day, which is celebrated all over the country. And for the information of everyone present here, the National Sports Day is being celebrated across the country to mark the birthday of the legendary hockey legendary, and he is also the sports person. At the same time, he is in the army, I guess. This is Mr. Major Dhyan Chand. As you all aware that Major Dhyan Chand is the hockey wizard. That's why the government of India has decided to mark his birthday as the National Sports Day. During this current year of 2026, the government of India organized this program, that is the Khelo India Samvad. That is a dialogue which we will shortly hear the speech by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. So I hope that everyone are eager to hear his speech, and I hope that you will listen carefully what he would like to say about this event and this program and this auspicious day. My dear students present here, the students, the young talent will come up and show the talent that they have within them, and especially to strengthen the sportsmanship and the talent for the Olympic of 2036. My dearest students, and especially to the sports person present here, I think everyone are aware about this one, that the sports today is not just talent. I think Johnny will agree with me, Mersha will agree with me. Apart from talent, sports is becoming very technical.